making up for it with back-to-back world titles, going faster each time with a national record of 21.41 seconds, achieved in Budapest last year.
The ultimate final explodes into life. Richardson on the outside. Jackson's going really well in the middle. It's her title, this is her event. Thomas tried to go with her. It's Shericka Jackson at the moment. Can she hold it? She's storming to victory here. Watch the clock. This is so fast.
I think it was a really pretty good run. I wanted to execute as best as possible, and I think I did that tonight. And I'm so grateful to be standing here, a medalist and a national record, a personal best. I can't complain.
Jackson has posted 5 of the fastest times ever run in the top 10 of the women's 200 meters. An outstanding campaigner, Jackson has a rare victory as the 10th woman in the history of the sport. Registered times under 11 seconds for the 100 meters, under 22 seconds for the 200 meters, and under 50 seconds for the 400 meters. With 16 medals between the Olympics and the World Championships, including 5 gold, the seasoned campaigner will be looking to add an Olympic 200-meter medal to that impressive collection. The fastest woman alive over the distance was unbeaten over the half lap in 2023, but has had some hiccups in 2024. But that did not stop her from retaining her national crown. The national record holder, Shericka Jackson, was away well. The world champion will look to spring off the top end. Thomas and the company look to come forward. Kevona Davis is trying to mount a challenge as well. So too Kishane. Okay, Shericka Jackson will look to step forward. She's under a bit of pressure, but the reigning world champion retains the local sprint double, and she becomes a 4-time national champion over 200 meters.
Okay, so a team racing at the comparison to the champion is something and one of that and it's not happy.
There was a minor scare at the Istvan July meet in Hungary when Jackson pulled up. However, the assurance coming out of her camp was that she suffered only a minor cramp.
So it's just to fix the P's and the Q's, and we will ready for Paris.
Gold medalist and world athletics champion, representing Jamaica, Shericka Jackson. The ultimate final explodes into life. Richardson on the outside. Jackson's going really well in the middle. It's her title, this is her event. Thomas trying to go with her, but it's Shericka Jackson at the moment. Can she hold it? She's storming to victory here. Watch the clock, this is so fast. It's a brilliant, brilliant title defense. It's the second fastest time ever run. And a mark of her confidence is that she looked fleetingly disappointed that she hadn't broken the world record. She was ahead round the bend. She pulled away in the home straight, and Shericka Jackson has underlined her status as the...
And Fraser of Jamaica running away from the field to win it in 10-7-8.
And I said the youngsters have no baggage to bring, reminiscent of Usain Bolt. 10.78. The one athlete in there, the youngest athlete with no experience, blows away a very, very good field. And now Jamaica 48 hours ago had never had a 100-meter champion, either male or female. Now they have both.
21-year-old Shelly-Ann Fraser of Jamaica.
And it appears, Tom, that Jamaica has gone 1, 2, and 3. We're trying to sort out the minor places. But Shelly-Ann Fraser, what can you say about the 21-year-old? The only experience she has at this level is that she ran on the second place 4x1 last year in Osaka. And midway through this race, it was never even close. She got a great start and just kept going.
They're still examining the photo to determine the other placings, but Shelly-Ann Fraser left no doubt as she blew away the field in the final meters to win in convincing style.
And Jamaica is in fact 1, 2, 3. We just have to sort out who in fact will get those silver and bronze medals.
While the Jamaicans celebrate an apparent sweep, Lauren Williams with disappointment looking up at the big scoreboard, apparently finishing in 4th place. It appears to be 4th. Here's the official photo, and it is a dead heat for the silver medal, Sharon Simpson and Karan Stewart of Jamaica.
And Tom, what a race for this young lady. Watch Tori Edwards in lane 6 flinch right there, but the starter does not call it. Shades of John Capel in 2000 Sydney in the 200. It did not matter. Shelly-Ann Fraser, second from the right, got the best start in the field, along with Sharon Simpson on the inside lane. And from there, it was never in doubt. The youngest, the shortest, the least experienced member of this field blows away the field by 0.2 of a second to win in 10.78.
And a big smile as teams in the sprints. They record the first ever sweep in the women's 100 by any country, and the new champions with Bob Newmeyer.
Well, Jamaica continues to roll. Shelly-Ann, your thoughts on winning this gold medal?
Well, honestly, most people weren't expecting me to come out here and do something. So with that in mind, I know it wasn't do or die because nobody expected anything. So I didn't have to go out there and prove to anybody, just to myself. And I went out there and execute properly as my coach told me to, because I was having a bit of problem with the reaction times. So I worked on that, and then I just come out here and do my best.
Did Bolt's big performance last night inspire you or your Jamaican teammates in this one?
Yes, and the fact that Asafa is my training partner, I also came out here to represent him.
For Jamaica now to win this 2 nights in a row with 2 21-year-olds.
It's just crazy, amazing. I mean, all love to Jamaica. I mean, the support has been tremendously, and I don't like to say I'm so excited, honestly, because it's my first major title, and it was good. I worked really hard for it, though.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I think she's going to be smiling for a long time. Jamaica's first ever women's 100-meter gold medal, and the first ever sweep by any country as Simpson and Stewart dead heat for the silver. Lauren Williams 4th, Moona Lee 5th, and Tori Edwards 8th and last. It was ladies' night in the 100, a wide-open race with 6 of the 8 runners from either Jamaica or the United States. But Shelly-Ann Fraser, like Bolt, 21 years old, had a lightning performance, winning resoundingly and leading a Jamaican sweep, shutting out the Americans. A disappointment at track and field for the U.S. and a signal that Jamaica will be a major sprint force for years to come.
This program has been produced by NBC Universal in association with the International Olympic Committee and the Beijing.
What's up, world? It's Usain Bolt here, and trust me, when it comes to speed, there's no place on earth like Jamaica. We're a small island, but we've got a heart of a lion and the speed of a lightning bolt. We've shown the world what we're made of on the track, with legends like me, Shelly-Ann, Arthur Wint, and so many more. Our victories aren't just about crossing the finish line first. They're about national pride, inspiring youth, and putting Jamaica on the map. Every medal, every world record, it brings in tourism investments and shows the world that Jamaica is a force to be reckoned with. So get ready to dive into the history of Jamaica's sprinting dominance, where we'll celebrate the icons who've made us proud and inspire the next generation of athletes to continue this legacy. Let's go. All right, let's talk about the fastest man on the planet. Me, Usain Bolt, the name synonymous with speed and excellence. I've always been about pushing boundaries, defying expectations, and setting new standards in the world of athletics. 9 Olympic gold medals, multiple world records. It's been an incredible journey filled with hard work, dedication, and an unyielding desire to be the best. But it wasn't just about the medals, it was about the moments, the memories, and the impact on the sport. It was about electrifying the crowd, bringing that showmanship to the track, and creating an unforgettable experience for everyone watching. People connected with the energy, the passion, the lightning bolt pose. It became a symbol of joy and triumph. And you know, my victories weren't just mine, they were for my team, my country, and everyone who believed in me. They brought so much attention and investment to Jamaica, boosting tourism and making everyone back home proud. It was a win for all of us. It's about inspiring the youth to dream big, to know that anything is possible if you work hard and stay focused, to show them that the sky's the limit. I remember being a young boy in Trelawney looking up to athletes like Don Quarry. They were my heroes, my inspiration. They ignited a fire in me, a desire to make my country proud and to leave a lasting legacy. And that's what I hope to do for the next generation, to be that spark, that motivation for young athletes everywhere, to show them that even a kid from a small island can achieve greatness on the world stage, that dreams do come true with hard work and determination.
Now, let's talk about a true icon, the pocket rocket herself, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. This phenomenal athlete has taken the world by storm with her incredible speed and unmatched determination. This woman is a force of nature, a 5-time world champion in the 100 meters and a true inspiration to women all over Jamaica and beyond. Her journey is a testament to what can be achieved with hard work and perseverance. She's a testament to hard work, dedication, and the unwavering spirit of Jamaican women. Her relentless pursuit of excellence has set a new standard in athletics. I mean, come on, she's a mother who dominated the track. Talk about a superwoman. Balancing motherhood and a demanding career, she shows that women can excel in all areas of life. Shelly-Ann's impact goes far beyond the medals. Her influence extends into the community, where she inspires countless individuals. She's a role model, a symbol of empowerment for young girls who dare to dream big. She encourages them to believe in themselves and their abilities. She teaches them that they can achieve anything they set their minds to, no matter the obstacles. Her story is a beacon of hope and motivation. Her story resonates deeply with so many, showing that with resilience and determination, you can overcome any challenge. She embodies the spirit of never giving up. Shelly-Ann is a true champion, on and off the track. Her legacy will continue to inspire future generations. She's a shining example of what makes Jamaica so special: our unwavering spirit, our determination to succeed, and our ability to inspire the world. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is a living legend.
We can't talk about Jamaican sprinting without paying respect to the legend, Arthur Wint, a true pioneer in the world of athletics. He was our original track hero, the man who put Jamaica on the map at the 1948 Olympics, capturing the world's attention with his incredible speed and determination. Imagine that, winning our first Olympic gold medal, breaking barriers and paving the way for generations to come. His victory was a monumental achievement that resonated far beyond the track. Arthur's victory wasn't just about athleticism, it was a symbol of hope and pride for a newly independent Jamaica, inspiring a nation to believe in its potential. He showed the world what we were capable of, igniting a passion for athletics that continues to burn bright today. His influence can still be seen in the young athletes who look up to him as a role model. His legacy extends far beyond the track, as he also made significant contributions in other fields. He became a respected diplomat, serving Jamaica with the same dedication and integrity he displayed as an athlete, representing our nation with honor on the global stage. Arthur Wint's story is a reminder that greatness knows no bounds. His journey from the track to diplomacy is a testament to his versatility and commitment to excellence. He embodied the Jamaican spirit, resilience, determination, and a commitment to excellence, qualities that continue to inspire us all. We owe a debt of gratitude to pioneers like Arthur, who dared to dream big and paved the way for future generations of Jamaican athletes to shine on the world stage. His legacy lives on in every Jamaican athlete who strives for greatness.
Chapter 4, Elaine Thompson-Herah, the Double-Double Queen.
Now let's talk about a woman who's writing her own chapter in Jamaican sprinting history, Elaine Thompson-Herah. This lady is a true champion, a back-to-back Olympic gold medalist in both the 100 and 200 meters.
That's right, I did the double-double, cementing my place among the all-time greats.
Elaine's speed and power are unmatched, and her performances on the track are nothing short of inspiring. But it's not just about the medals with Elaine. She's a role model for young girls across Jamaica, showing them that anything is possible if you work hard and chase your dreams.
I'm proof that Jamaican women are a force to be reckoned with, both on and off the track.
Elaine's journey is a testament to the power of perseverance and dedication. She's an inspiration to us all, and I have no doubt that she'll continue to make Jamaica proud for years to come.
Chapter 5, Johan Blake, the Beast and the Mentor.
Now let's talk about my boy, Johan Blake, aka the Beast. This guy is a true talent, a former 100-meter world champion, and a key member of Jamaica's dominant relay teams.
We've shared some incredible moments on the track together, pushing each other to be our best.
But Johan's impact extends far beyond his own accomplishments. He's passionate about giving back to the community and nurturing young talent. He established the Johan Blake Foundation, which supports underprivileged children and promotes education and sports.
I understand the importance of mentorship and using my platform to make a difference in the lives of others.
He's a true role model, inspiring the next generation of athletes to chase their dreams and make a positive impact on the world. His dedication to youth development is a testament to his character and his commitment to building a brighter future for Jamaica.
Keep inspiring, everyone.
Chapter 6, Shericka Jackson, Speed and Versatility. Let me tell you about another rising star in Jamaican athletics, Shericka Jackson. This woman is pure talent, a true testament to the depth and versatility of our athletes. She's a force to be reckoned with in both the 400 meters and the 100 meters, proving her incredible range and speed. Shericka's recent accomplishments, including her bronze medal in the 100 meters at the Tokyo Olympics, have solidified her place among Jamaica's sprinting elite. She's got this hunger for success, this drive to constantly improve and push her limits, and that's what makes her so dangerous on the track. She's always striving for more. Shericka is a fantastic addition to Jamaica's rich sprinting legacy, and I have no doubt that she'll continue to achieve great things in the years to come. Chapter 7, Nesta Carter, The Power of Teamwork. Now let's talk about a key figure in Jamaica's relay dominance, Nesta Carter. This man is a true team player, a vital part of our gold medal-winning 4x100-meter relay teams. His explosive starts and smooth handoffs were crucial to our success on the world stage. Nesta's story highlights the importance of teamwork and camaraderie in athletics. Relay races are all about trust, precision, and seamless coordination. Qualities that Nesta embodied perfectly. He understood that success was a collective effort, and he always put the team first. Nesta's contributions to Jamaican athletics extend beyond his individual achievements. He's a reminder that every role is important and that together we can achieve greatness. His dedication and sportsmanship have left a lasting mark on our sprinting legacy. Chapter 8. Beyond the sprint, marathons and the future. Now, while we're known for our sprinters, don't think for a second that's all Jamaica's got. We've got athletes making waves in other events too. Look at Kemar Bailey-Cole pushing hard in the sprints, and Natoya Gould killing it in the 800 meters. They're showing the world that Jamaican talent goes beyond just speed. It's about endurance and strategy too. And you know what? This shift towards marathons and distance running, it's not just about winning medals. It's about health, about inspiring Jamaicans to get active and embrace a healthy lifestyle. It's about showing the younger generation that there are many paths to athletic success, and that dedication and hard work pay off no matter the distance. We're seeing more and more Jamaicans participating in marathons, embracing the challenge and pushing their limits. It's inspiring to see this growth, this expansion of our athletic horizons. Otro, the legacy continues. From Arthur Wint to Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, from the sprints to the marathon, Jamaican athletes have left an indelible mark on the world. We've shown that a small island with a big heart can produce some of the greatest athletes the world has ever seen. Our victories have brought joy, pride, and economic growth to Jamaica, inspiring generations and shaping our national identity. The legacy of Jamaican athletics is about more than just medals and records. It's about resilience, determination, and the unwavering pursuit of excellence. And as we look to the future, I have no doubt that Jamaica will continue to produce world-class athletes who will inspire the world with their speed, their grace, and their unwavering spirit. One love, Jamaica.